For this assignment, you will be rewriting and sorting the words on the right by adding an ly. The bottom box is for you to kind of figure out how to spell it, and once you figure out how to spell it, you can then rewrite that word in the correct spot on the chart. So for an example, our first word is clear. If we were to add the suffix ly, it would be clearly. So it would look like this. Based on looking at that word, I can tell that there was no spelling change to the word clear. Therefore, clearly is going to go in that column. I'm then going to go over here and rewrite clearly in the correct column. I will then erase my whiteboard area to write a new word in it. Finish writing all of the new words on the right and placing them in the correct spot on the chart.